Hi guys.
Hi guys, what you gonna be?
Oh, cover your mouth, Revi. What's up, y'all? Revi and I are at home. I did take him to nursery, but they called me because his temperature was high. Excuse me, Revi. He woke up this morning and he did feel a little warm, so I gave him some medicine. But he wasn't that unwell for him not to go to the nursery because he was excited to go. You know, he loves school. So yeah, and then this morning I had Rain's development check. I know the previous vlog we left off with us being at the hospital. That was actually quite scary.
Just get one of these trolleys. Let me just put it on notice from now. This is my everyday winter jacket, okay? This is a jacket that I actually got from Anita Baby Section. I'm only in here for some diapers. Oh, there it is, baby and toddler. Yeah, so this is a jacket that I actually got from Temu. I don't know if y'all remember when I was trending on, but it keeps me so warm, so cozy. So I've been wearing it it's like my everyday jacket right about now. So that's why I'm wearing it. I want to get some nappies from here because the nursery that River and Rain goes to, they actually put them in the Sainsbury's nappies. And I like it. Yeah, so let me see African and Caribbean. Let me just see what they have cooking on this oil before I go. And oh, soursop. They have soursop tea bag. I don't know how that tastes. I actually like soursop. I'm gonna buy it. It might be nice. It's £1.55. Yeah, soursop. I'll get soursop. I'm gonna get plantain chips. That's moringa. Alright, okay. Yeah, so just now I actually just left from the doctor again with Rain. So that was when she went to the hospital. That was last week Friday. Today is Thursday. Baby wipes, baby food. Yeah, today is Thursday and she's still sort of unwell, and River is unwell now too. So it's just been so up and down, y'all. It's just been so crazy. Rain, she's a lot better. She's breathing a lot better. So she had something called croup. I've never ever heard of croup ever. Yeah, I have never in my life heard of croup. And basically it's a viral infection that comes with like the cold, the cough, and respiratory issues as well. So that was the issue with Rain. Like she wasn't breathing properly, so I had to call. That's how she ended up in the hospital. Sorry, one second, I'm just looking for River size. Where is that? Size 7. They're so cheap though. £3.84. Size 7. It has 30 in there. But you can get this one because he does have some. Oh, they don't have the big ones for size 7. This is the biggest one. Yeah, so it's just crazy, y'all. That it really scared me, you know. And I know y'all listening to me, I'm not well. None of like everyone in the house just been under the weather. Basically, it's just not been great, you know. But we're all hanging in there. No biggie, we're hanging in there. Yeah, but basically for her croup, she got some steroids. She's been a lot better since that worked, so we haven't had any breathing issues or anything like that for her, which is good. I think I am done. Yeah, so that's about it. River, he's just been sleeping non-stop, yeah. So I'm hoping that by the weekend that he'll be good again and stuff, but I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, I'm gonna go and cash these things out now. I only came for this, so I'll cash them out now. Just Pampers and wipes. Hear me about Pampers. We call everything Pampers. You know, Pampers is a brand, but we're so stuck in our ways of calling everything Pampers. They're nappies. In England they call them nappies. This is the Sainsbury's brand. And yeah, so that's all I'm getting. I'm gonna do my grocery shopping. Y'all know I do my grocery shopping online, so that's about it. I'm here looking for juice, orange juice with juicy bits, breakfast juice from concentrate, like breakfast juice. What does it say? Breakfast juice. So let me get 2 apples because I don't even know, man. Seriously. I'll get 2 apples and I'll get 2 oranges. Breakfast juice. Seriously. And down we go. This is the other side. It's giving like shopping mall vibes, isn't it? This supermarket has the escalator, and where else? Tesco. Yeah, Tesco does. Where I shop at, like it's just one floor, so they don't have this. Yeah. Sometimes it's so awkward, right? But I know people watching me vlog because I parked right at the front, so I know that Sean. They're in the car. I left Sean in the car with the kids. ShéKayla is also in there because we went to get her from school. Yeah. But I know that they could see me, and I don't like being watched. I don't like being watched. I get shy. Y'all know that I'm shy, right? And sometimes if I'm discussing a certain topic and Sean is not a part of that topic and he's next to me, it's a bit weird. Like, I feel like I can't talk like this because it's like I'm talking to you guys and someone else like eavesdropping. That's how I feel. Where's the car? But yeah, we're gonna head home. I made some soup yesterday for dinner, so that's what we're probably gonna, and there's loads left, so we're probably gonna have that for dinner again. Oh, ShéKayla, you didn't start the car. ShéKayla, you take cash, or you want your money transferred? I just got some money back from the post office. I didn't get a chance to finish telling you what I was telling you because Sean called me. He's actually at home. I think he's at home. Yeah, he's at home. I left him at home with River and Rain. Yeah, he took some time off work, so yeah, I left River and Rain asleep and Sean was there, so he called me and we ended up talking, and I forgot that I was actually in the middle of a vlog. So this is actually the very next day, and I actually started to record and didn't realize that it was not picking up the audio. I think it's because it was connected to the car, and I don't know, for some reason I spoke for about a good 5 minutes, and now I'm editing it, there's no audio. But basically what I was about to tell you guys is about this show called Love Island. Maybe a lot of you are familiar with it, but it's a reality show where couples people get to know each other, but it's like behind closed doors, so they don't actually get to see how they look, and they get together at the end of the show, whoever you're meshed with or whatever, and they end up getting married. The couple from the 2023 season, they end up getting married, and after 1 year of marriage they're divorcing. But before they actually got married, like, everything was laid out on the table, and the guy, he was being honest with her about this thing about him being a sperm donor. And yeah, so that's what I was about to get into, and then Sean called and I ended up speaking to him the whole way because I was about to go and get ShéKayla from school, so I didn't actually finish telling you guys about the whole saga. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do in the next clip. So what I was saying about this Love Island thing, so they got together after 1 year of marriage, yada yada, now they're gonna divorce. But before that, one of the things that he came clean about was the fact that he was a sperm donor and that he has 3 biological children out there. So he's got 3 other I say 3 other because in my mind it's like they're gonna have kids together, but he's got 3 other children out there, biological children out there, that he doesn't have any relationship with. I don't think he knows them, he doesn't know them, but I guess that's something that he decided to come clean about before, you know, they continue on in the relationship, because it was the beginning, they fell for each other, yada yada, and I guess that's him trying to be coming clean and stuff, start the relationship nice and honest. And she looked past that and they got married, and yeah, but after 1 year of marriage it's over. My question is, and I want you guys to answer this honestly as possible, it's a serious question, I need you to comment down below because I need you to answer this question. Would you have pursued a relationship with a man who, you know, you did fall for? You know, you guys, you're dating, you really like him, he really likes you, you're getting on really well, you're like, you know what, I think he's the man for me. And in order to move forward, you know, you're telling each other about each other's lives, the past, yada yada. He comes to you and he says, you know what,
back in my younger college days because I wanted some extra funds. I don't know if that was the case with this guy, but he comes clean and said I was a sperm donor back in my college days. I found out that through my gift giving, I actually brought forth, I actually fathered 3 children. Not that you have a relationship with them or the mother, you're not in their lives, you're not their father, you're just a donor. But would you continue on in a relationship with someone like that? Because I think that would be a deal breaker for me. Sean and I, we watch Pop the Balloon all the time, and then these women list all these ridiculous deal breakers. Not just the women, the men as well. And in a relationship, in a real life situation, like, we don't ever go through deal breakers, we just get to know each other, you know. But I suppose it's like a great way of just eliminating someone who you know what, you won't stand for anything like that. That's something you cannot look past. But is that something that you guys can do? Could you look past a situation like that? Yeah, because I really couldn't. I can't do it. I cannot start a life, especially knowing that I don't have any kids. He doesn't have any kids, right? Because he's never been married. He never been in a relationship with someone where they made kids together and stuff like that, you know? So it's like, I wouldn't be comfortable with that, and knowing that our children could possibly end up with a sibling of theirs that they didn't even know was a sibling. Like, I've seen that play out before, like on TV, and it's just horrible finding out that their family, their siblings, or there's some cousins or something. Like, it's just horrible. So definitely I don't think I would want that type of relationship. I want to be able to say, like, I gave you your first kid, you know, I gave you your first kid. Like, if Sean was to come to me right now and tell me, like, he got that to tell me, I don't know what our relationship would be like. Like, you can't do that to me. Like, I made you a father. I made ShéKayla's dad. I made ShéKayla's father a father. And I made Sean a father. He's got 2 kids. I gave him 2. Like, you can't do that to me. Tell me, oh yeah, by the way, donated this and I've got some kids out there that I don't know. I don't know if we could move forward from there. I don't know. It's tough. Live. Oh my gosh. ShéKayla, you have the house key? You don't have the key? Because I don't have a key. That's what I'm saying. The key broke. Not broke, it like got bent. So Sean, let's try see if he could straighten it up. If not, I'll have to try and cut a key. So you have to do something private. Yeah, give me this. I'll have to we'll have to see if we could cut a key actually. Anyways, it is cold. See me wearing a sweater. I'll leave my let's see why I tell you I love my little winter jacket from Timu, because it keeps me nice and cozy. And now I put it on and it's freezing. Anywho, can you exactly? Yeah, say hi. Look how happy my baby is, and now she's gonna go get an injection. Man, guys, Rain needs to get 4 injections: MMR, hepatitis, pneumonia, and she's gonna get 2 in her thighs. She's gonna get 3 in her thighs, 1 in her arm. Oh, Rainy Bunga. I feel bad. I don't remember it being 4. I thought it was just 2 injections, like 1 in each leg. But it's 4. I feel bad. You're smiling already. Yeah. Rain screamed down the place. She screamed. Man, I felt so bad though, because I did not know. I did not know. You see, this is baby number 3, and I did not remember that it's actually 4. I thought that everything was gonna be included in. Is this my car?
No, it's not your
You gonna put that in? Put that in.
No, can you put that in? It's actually kind of difficult for me.
Really? Yeah, I don't know why I thought that she was just gonna get. Really, wait, it's cold. Don't take off your hat. What you take it? Okay, all right, it's okay. I don't know why I thought that she just would have gotten just 2 injections, like 1 in each thigh, and that the injection would have just covered the rest, like the MMR, and the other thing like would be, you know. Oh my gosh, that made me feel so bad. I could have cried. Hey Renee, I could have cried. I should have let Sean come. I always come in and put myself through this torture, but can I tell you that any more vaccines, he will be the one that's come. The next vaccine should be 3.5, which means that River will be due this year for his, and your father definitely. With her hat, she got it right.
Yeah.
Sean definitely gonna be the one to come, because I ain't going through this again. So very much. Yeah, December, it will be December. Yeah. No, but she said 3 years and 4 months, so October.
Oh, this is 3.5.
I said 3.5, but it's 3 years and 4 months. She says the next and then that's it. Everything done. Oh gosh, maybe time to head home.